Hi dear viewers, this is Arash Kamali with another session of the website programming course on the Python programming language and the Django framework. Again, as always, a very warm welcome from me. If you remember, in the previous session we listed the available comments on the site so that the admin will be able to see the list of the comments. And we said we need to do two more things. The admin needs to be able to confirm or delete the comments. In this session we are going to write a delete function because it is the easiest thing to do compared to the confirm function. Okay, now we make a copy from this function and call it comments underline del. And the input would be a PK. Alright, we keep the permissions for the admin, and here return redirect on comment underline list to the comment list. Okay, and first let's make the URL. It would be comments del, and now the received PK. Okay, and this one needs to connect to comments del. That's right. That's up to now. Our comments list button needs to work well. We need to connect del to comments del with a received PK. Now, when this button has been connected to our function, what will happen? We need to say comment.object.filter, where PK equals PK, and in the end comment dot delete. Okay, this is for deleting the comments by the admin. Now I refresh the page. Let's see what the problem is. In the URL there is a problem here. When we made a copy, an extra array close command has been copied along. Again, I refresh the news page, will delete the comment, and as you see, the comment has been deleted successfully. Okay, now I can delete the rest of the comments. So that's it for deleting the comments. It is a very easy part of the code, but sometimes it could cause some problems. Okay, because what we are deleting can be related to so many other things. We need to take those into consideration. We are going to deal with them later on. But for now, to delete a record from a database is not such a difficult thing to do. Right now, we have given the admin the ability to delete the comments for each news, and we just need to make the confirmation section on the next step. That is, the comments which contain no problem can be confirmed and shown on our website just by pushing the confirm button by the admin.